Man, galingan mo man.
Man,
Ikaw
di ka man
ikaw ang manok namin. Galingan mo man.
di ka man nakapili dyan.
Palakpakan po natin muli si Carl Joseph, grade 9 student, sa kanyang napakagandang performance. Ngayon naman po ay ating panoorin ang performance ni Emmanuel, grade 7 student.
Kaingin.
I am the youth of today. I am the youth of today. I am the descendants of the brave Katipuneros and the strong-willed leader of the revolution. I wear the red banner and carry the torch of my guerrilla forefathers. The blood of my ancestors runs through my veins. I was not delivered into this world in defeat. The resilience of the past centuries nourishes my will, but I'm still fighting for freedom, justice, and peace. To our distinguished members,